morning, Scots, and happy Friday. I'm Hannah.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Ashira.
Let's dive into today's announcements. First up, if you have a full day absence, whether it's excused, unexcused, or a cut, and you'd like to get it cleared, please see Chapa in 3B, Moore in 4E, Delator in 5B, or Mayo in 88, or 7H for details about Saturday school. Please make sure to check in by today ASAP.
Next up, formal season is coming up soon. Make sure all your debt is all paid and that you have a current ID card. You'll need both to purchase tickets in January.
And finally, seniors, if you didn't purchase your cap and gown last week, please be sure to do so at jostens.com. If you're planning to borrow a cap and gown, remember the deadline is coming up fast. Don't delay.
Now we got some exciting news about
Highland Spring Musical Beetlejuice.
Let's hear it from Sophia and Gracie with more details.
Hey Scots, I'm Sophia.
And I'm Gracie.
It's showtime. Auditions for Highland Spring Musical Beetlejuice are happening next week after school.
Auditions will be held Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
Tuesday is for dance, Wednesday is for singing, and Thursday is for acting.
Stop by Mr. Thompson's room in 8C to pick up any information form. It includes audition songs and everything else you'll need.
Remember Scots, this is all happening next week at the Wall after school.
Thank you, guys.
Our final announcement for today's show is about the Highland Film Festival happening today at 5 p.m.
We'd like to invite everyone at Highland to join us in the auditorium to watch some incredible short films made by your friends and classmates.
The event kicks off at 5 p.m. with tickets available at the door for $10. Freshmen get a special discount for just $5 with the school ID.
Don't miss out on seeing the work of Highland talented filmmakers on the big screen today at 5 p.m. Doors open at 4:30 p.m.
That's it for today.
And thank you for watching.
And always remember to
Plaid up.